Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and let us continue our topic Chapter 8 It's Time Celebration. Now we are going to start our topic National Festival. National festivals are festivals that are celebrated by the entire nation irrespective of religion. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated in every part of India. National festivals are festival which is celebrated by entire nation. Whole India, whole country celebrate these festivals together. It's not a religion festival, it's a national festival. In our country, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated every part of India because these are national festivals. Other festivals. Dasahara is a religious festival celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. It marks the victory of good over evil. Paper statues of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on Dasahara. Dasahara is a religious festival. It is celebrated on the memory of Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. It makes the victory of good over evil. Paper statues of Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burned on this day. Holi. The festival of colors marks the end of winter and the beginning of summer. Holi is the festival of colors. On this day, people play with colors and celebrate it with joy and exchange the gift and sweets also, and it is the symbol of victory and marks end of the winter and the beginning of the summer. Vasant Panchami celebrates the beginning of the spring season. Goddess Saraswati is worshipped on this day. Children also fly kites. Vasant Panchami celebrates the beginning of spring season, and on this day Goddess Saraswati is worshipped on this day, and children also fly kites. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to honor the bond between brother and sisters. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers and receive gift in return. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated between the brothers and sisters. Sisters tie Rakhi on the brother's wrist and they receive gift in return. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. The celebration goes on for 4 days. Pongal is a harvest festival. Harvest festival means when any new grain is ready to eat in new season, that firstly they celebrate a festival and then they used to eat these grains. Pongal is a harvest festival and it is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and the celebration goes on for 4 days continuously. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.